Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're into Forex trading or just starting out, you're in for a treat today. Because in this video, I'm going to reveal a simple but powerful Forex trading trick that could absolutely blow your mind. And the best part? You can start using it right now to potentially increase your profits. So stick around till the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, we all know Forex trading can be a bit overwhelming, right? The charts, the indicators, the constant market movement. It's easy to get lost in the noise. But here's the thing. Sometimes the simplest strategies are the most effective. Let me introduce you to the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. You might have heard of it in other areas of life, but today I'm going to show you how it applies to Forex trading. Basically, 80% of your results come from 20% of your trades. So how do you focus on that 20%? Here's the trick. Most traders make the mistake of overtrading, trying to catch every move in the market. But what you should really be doing is waiting for high probability setups. The trick is to only trade when certain conditions are met, like when key levels of support and resistance are tested, or when a major trend reversal is likely. Look at this chart. Instead of jumping into every small move, I wait for price to touch these key levels. Now, these levels act like magnets. When price hits them, there's usually a strong reaction. That's when I make my move. And guess what? My win rate instantly increased just by being patient and focusing on these crucial zones. Now here's where it gets even better. I combine this strategy with one simple confirmation indicator, the RSI, Relative Strength Index. All you have to do is wait for price to hit a key level and make sure the RSI is either oversold or overbought. This adds an extra layer of confidence to your trades. When the price hits a key resistance level and the RSI shows that the market is overbought, boom! That's a signal to sell. When price hits a support level and RSI is oversold, time to buy. This combination reduces the noise and gives you precise, high-probability trades. I know it sounds almost too simple, right? But trust me, sometimes the simplest things are the most effective in Forex trading. I've seen this trick work wonders for both beginners and seasoned traders. It's all about patience, discipline, and focusing on quality over quantity. And the best part? By following this strategy, you'll avoid those emotional, impulsive trades that lead to losses. Instead, you'll be making smart, calculated moves that could skyrocket your trading success. So, what do you think? Ready to give this simple Forex trading trick a shot? Drop a comment below if you're going to try it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing Forex tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.